Waalaxy Tutorial for Beginners. So in general, for a little explanation, Waalaxy is another extension mainly used for LinkedIn. So a LinkedIn automation and lead generation tool that pretty much helps you find prospects and send outreach messages pretty much automatically, since again it is automation. So to start, you could just go ahead and directly install the Waalaxy extension from the Chrome web store. So just go ahead and press on install and get it on your browser. Then you can just sign up by logging in to your LinkedIn and connecting your LinkedIn to the Waalaxy itself. Then it's just gonna show this, welcome to Waalaxy. Then you can personalize your experience by answering a few questions. So first of all, you're gonna choose your role, then your primary objective with Waalaxy. Then if you have these over here, you can answer these. So if you've ever used a similar tool, so a different kind of extension that is automation, and where you heard about Waalaxy, then just go ahead and press on next, and then you'll be able to enter the dashboard. Then go ahead and press on next, and you will be able to enter your dashboard. So after the setup, you can search for potential leads on LinkedIn itself or Sales Navigator, then import those profiles into the Waalaxy to build a prospect list. So it should be directly found over here where you can just add a list. So you can even create a campaign using a pre-built sequence such as message, but actually invitation plus message. Then you can customize your connection requests and follow-up messages, and then launch the campaign to start the automated search. But you're gonna put in mind that there is somewhat a limit. So if you're using it for free, you will be getting a few credits at first, so 500 credits apparently. And if you want more, you could get more credits, of course, or you could subscribe for better benefits. So once your campaign is running, Waalaxy automatically sends connection requests, follow-up messages, profile visits, or emails depending on the sequence you selected. You can monitor progress in the campaign dashboard where you'll see metrics like invitations sent or acceptance rates and replies. But the platform also includes features like message personalization, CRM integration, and a built-in inbox to manage LinkedIn conversations and organize leads in one place. But again, the main use of Waalaxy over here, or the main feature, is the start a campaign option. So quick access to models, you got invitation plus messages, which we already mentioned, or you could always just explore different templates. So pretty much depends on what you want to do. So that's pretty much a general idea on how Waalaxy works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.